In this video, I'll show you how to set up recharge subscriptions on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. Next, search for Recharge Subscriptions, open the official app, and click Install. Approve the requested permissions to add the app to your store. After that, open the Recharge app and follow the setup guide to connect it to your Shopify store. Configure your subscription preferences, including billing frequency, renewal options, and customer notifications. Now choose the products you want to offer as subscriptions. Enable subscriptions for those products and customize the available purchase options, such as one-time purchases, recurring deliveries, or both. Next, save your settings and review the subscription widget on your product pages to make sure it displays correctly. Finally, place a test subscription order to confirm that recurring payments and subscription management are working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up recharge subscriptions on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.